Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share this fabulous case with you all. This is a case that I designed and sized specifically for my Picture Perfect supersize albums. All right, they're the larger albums. Again, they're called Picture Perfect Supersize. So this case is sized specifically for those albums. Check out the rounded appearance of this case. We got these rounded edges. Look at this handle. I take you step by step by step in the tutorial on how to make this incredible handle. All you need is Tyvek to make this handle. Nothing special. You don't have to go out and buy any hardware. I know back in the day, everything I did was with hardware, and it was so hard for you guys to find it. Now I am making my own handles and looks and all sorts of things for you guys can dress up your projects. This one is no exception. As to how fantastic it turned out in comparison to all the other handles that I've created with Tyvek. So check that out, guys. The case has a what I call a peekaboo window. All right, it's got, I blow out a piece, I say blow out, but I cut into the chipboard. We insert acetate to create this really nice look, nice updated look to a suitcase. Again, the rounded edges also give this suitcase a nice updated look, still with that vintage flair that I love. I love the marriage between vintage and modern. I think it's perfect. Perfect. So this paper collection that I use to decorate the suitcase, and I'll link you down below to the tutorial, is Flight 2715. You can find this in my shop. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous paper collection. You get so much in this paper collection, all the papers and the embellishments. So I did tell you all that this houses the Picture Perfect Supersize albums. So here is the Picture Perfect Supersize landscape version. This album goes in here. Look at how beautiful it looks together. I have 6 different volumes for Picture Perfect Supersize, and the reason why they're so super popular is because when you buy any of my Picture Perfect volumes, you get both the landscape and the portrait. So same album, however the pages are arranged for a landscape album and for a portrait. So you get both of these. And these albums have been done in so many different looks that you have all sorts of inspiration in terms of what paper you want to pick. Right, this one is done with the Flutter and Bloom. I'm showing you see-through covers. Okay, as you can see, kicked it off with this here, the cover of the suitcase, the cover of the album. Again, something different for you all, trying to keep it fresh for you all, just giving you things that make you go, right? So check that out, and let me give you a little sneaky peeky of another see-through cover, this Father's Day album, Number One Dad. All right, so lots and lots and lots of things to go through with you all. So, but what this video is about is the showstopper here is the case. So a lot of you have been asking me for a box for the Picture Perfect Supersize albums. I did you one better. I gave you a case. Okay, so check it out, guys. Check your links down below for the tutorial, your papers, and all sorts of things that you can find on paperphenomenon.com. So I'll see you in the next video.